Hi guys. So, nakakasakit. I've been isolating myself from the family for 3 days now. Diba nag-Manila May nung weekend. So, on the way there, I think I got it sa airport or sa plane. Okay, sa timeline, I felt sick Sunday night. At first, the symptoms are, oh, bless you. Symptoms are, day 1 and day 2, I had fever, no appetite, kanang malipong ko, very weak ko. I was just lying down the whole day for 2 days. I thought it was dengue kasi I have joint pains also. So, I thought it was dengue. But then, day 3, hi! Day 3, the mouth sores came out. So, akala ko naman hand, foot, mouth disease. But when I showed the doctor the picture, especially my throat and the positions of kung asa ni gawas ang mga mouth sores, he said it's herpagina or herpagina. Ngayon ko lang narinig yun. So, but I googled it. It's more or less the same family of hand, foot, mouth disease, except ang herpagina is walang rashes sa hands and sa feet. And sa position ng sores sa cheeks, sa cheek area, and sa tongue. Wala ako sa throat. Day 4, dumami na yung mouth sores. And then, today is day 5. Today, ang pinakamasakit. Like, stingy, hapdos kayo. Having a hard time talking. Okay, sakit siya. Even smiling, sakit. Having a hard time eating. I've been eating oatmeal and juicing lang since day 3. Kasi hindi ko na kaya mag-solid. Kasi, pag nag-chew ako, masakit nga kasi meron ako sa cheese. Now, day 5, nag-blender ako ng spinach, yogurt, cucumber, apples, and ano pa isa? Butong water, and bananas. Kasi kaninang lunch, nung nag-oatmeal ako, yung pag mismisingit na konting oatmeal sa sides, sakit siya. Sobrang sakit. And then, I did not expect na ngayon, nag-juice ako. Since, grabe nga yung pain today. Even yung juicing. Hapdos kayo siya. As in, so, nag-straw ako. Parang diretso na siya sa throat. Good thing na din, na wala akong sore sa throat. So, dili ko mag-resort swallow. So, I can still drink water, and which is very important to hydrate. So, I drink lots of water. Cold water helps kasi medyo nawawala yung stingy na feeling when I drink water. So, yeah, today's day 5. Sabi ni Doc GPT, tomorrow will be better. Day 7 will be better also. And hopefully day 8, makakain ako ng solid. Yeah, I cannot show you kasi base may kumakain and good kayo. It looks like parang chicken pox. Hindi man chicken pox, but daghan kayo siya. Like, this part, so as you can see, hubag kayo siya. This part, hubag kayo. Okay, daghan diri. Here, and here, here. I feel it. I'm here. That's why hubag. My husband gave me this cold compress para raw. Okay. Marakog. Nabunutan ng ngipin. So, yeah. No medicine for this. The usual medicine for mouth sores. It won't work kasi parang ina-explain na lahi ni na mouth sores. It's not the usual. It's viral sores. So, wala siya tambal. All I can put is ka ng mga numbing gel or pain reliever. But those, if I put or I drink pain reliever, it will only last 1-2 hours. 2 hours the most. And then it will come back. Yesterday nakaya ko pa. Today was grabe jud today. As in really painful today. Tapos ba ako pain tolerance ha, I believe. But this one, like kanina pag sip na ako sa aking juice, nakahilak jud ko. Sin sakit kaayo, hapdos. It's not throbbing pain, it's hapdos and stingy. You know the feeling na kanang naakay mouth sores and then ubutang ka ng tambal na kanang stingy kayo. Ano na feeling. So it's everywhere. So yeah, the difference of, to give you knowledge, kasi wala akong ginawa here sa room kundi mag-research the difference of hand, foot, mouth disease and hypergenia. The difference is yung position ng source kung saan lumabas. Hypergenia is more of the cheeks, here, tongue, gums. Ang hand, foot, mouth disease, sa throat, mouth, and usually daw magawas na siya sa mouth ang mga sores, and meron kang rashes, but mine wala. So yeah, naka-isolate ko since day 3 from the kids. Buyag, they're okay. Ponchik is okay. So na ako sa room ng kids ron. Si ChatGPT na day 6, which is tomorrow, and 7 will be better. I hope so. Better keep your promise, ChatGPT. And then day 8, hopefully daw makakaon ako solid food. Yeah, so what else? I guess just to warn you guys, just keep safe always. Kasi nalingat ko na ako'y nahawakan and I forgot to put alcohol. So I got this. It's very hard. Sakit yun siya, guys. Keep safe, everyone. And yeah, I hope I'll be better tomorrow.